Hello, you are welcome. Now the question on this circle geometry says that we find angle x below. Now if you look at this shape here, this complete shape here, this is a quadrilateral, a four-sided figure, and it is a cyclic quadrilateral, meaning that all the edges are on the circumference of the circle. So now the opposite angle, according to the theorem, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, meaning that they add up to 180. So this 110 and the angle that we have here, they are opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral, and they add up to 180. So to get this one, we simply say 180 minus 110. So 180 minus 110 will give us 70. So this angle here is 70 degrees. So that the two of them add up to 180 degrees. Okay, now looking at this triangle now, you see these two mark here. This mark shows that this length is equal to this length, meaning that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. A triangle where two sides are equal is an isosceles triangle. So in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The base angles are equal. So if this is 70 degrees, it means this angle is also 70 degrees. So now we can come back to this angle here in this triangle. Let me call it angle A. So this is a triangle. All the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So angle A plus this 70 plus this 70, the three of them should add up to 180 degrees, because sum of angle in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So I have A plus 70 is 140, and that will be equal to 180. And from there I can get A is equal to 180. This positive 140, if it comes to this side, it becomes negative 140. And from there I now have A is equal to 180 minus 140 will give us 40 degrees. So that means this angle A here is 40 degrees. This angle 40 degrees. Now finally we need to look at two angles here. If you look at this chord here, it makes angle X with this tangent. Don't forget this line here is a tangent. An external line that touches a circle is a tangent. So this line is a tangent. And so this line makes angle X with this chord in the circle. So this angle X is made by this chord and this tangent to give us angle X. Now, the same way, this chord makes angle A, which is 40 degrees, inside this triangle. Don't forget, in a triangle, a side and the opposite angle, it is a side that makes an opposite angle. So this chord here makes this angle 40 degrees. So because this chord makes angle 40 degrees and this same chord makes angle X with the tangent, it means that the two angles are equal. And what theorem is that? That angle in alternate segments are equal. So when you have a chord making an angle in a triangle and that same chord making an angle with a tangent, those two angles must be equal. And the theorem is that angle in alternate segments are equal. So we can finally conclude now and say angle X is equal to this 40 degrees because they are angle in alternate segments. So S is 40 degrees, and that is the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like this video and also share it so that others can learn from it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.